This is absolutely mental.
This is like a London train.
This is so busy.
By masjid,
Masjid, yeah. Open cab, thank you.
Your parents tell you don't stare at people.
It's a beautiful afternoon on a Monday here, and it's nice to walk around and just see some stuff. There is an interesting thing that I haven't seen just yet, and it's the concrete pillars across the side of the road, and they paint them sometimes quite beautifully, but the thing with these concrete pillars is what they actually are used for is quite sad, and that is actually to protect people from potential explosions, you know, to kind of limit the risk and the damage. I haven't yet to see some. I'm surprised because there's not so many roadblocks, and right now the vibe I'm getting is it's quite nice. Everyone's quite friendly. There's a few looks, I'm not gonna lie, like it's strange, but you know, the vibe is good here and it's nice. And if you're looking to see something different, a bit more Malaysian and a bit more Malay, then this is your place. Sawadee Kap.
by masjid,
Masjid, yeah. Kapun Kap. Yeah, the masjid.
One good thing about Malaysia is that they are not scary people at all.
Who, the Malaysians?
Yeah.
Oh, they're not scary?
No.
Very friendly, the Malaysians, huh?
You don't get the stares you get here. And they're not necessarily like nice ones. Sometimes it gets quite so pleasant the way they do it here. Makes me feel quite uncomfortable.
That is the concrete pillars there. I've just seen them. So they have concrete pillars in front of shop fronts, you see here. And not all the shop fronts have it, but some of them do, as you can see it here as well, and here. Along this stretch, roadblock, more pillars, more roadblocks, more pillars and more roadblocks here. It seems to be much more pillars now. It's something I wasn't seeing before, but now we're seeing loads of them. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of those pillars now, so this is kind of maybe where the city becomes a bit more, dare I say it, lively. I don't want to use any terms, but yeah, we're heading towards the Central Mosque now, which is apparently a must-see in Yala. Here we are, this is the Central Mosque. Right, let's have a look. Come on in. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, the biggest mailbox in Thailand is here in Yala?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's an interesting fact. That's an interesting fact from Julia there. Yeah, this is the Yala Provincial Central Mosque here. Very, very beautiful, very big dome on top. Definitely worth visiting if you're in Yala. Yeah, this area is a bit more Sawadee Ka. And you can hear the call to prayer starting now. And locals going in to pray. Let's go. Rot 5. Right, and off we are to the Rot 5, which is a train station in Thai. Some initial strange looks there, but you say hello, people open up a bit. Stunning, beautiful. These colourful buildings, these bright colours. They're always good at lightening the mood a bit, aren't they? And making the city a bit more lively. That's what I quite like about the Asian cities. Especially in the Muslim communities, they have really bright colours in their buildings. Usually peach, green, very nice. Right, and we're back at the Rot 5 now, the station. Sima, Sawi Mac. 500 is it?
Yeah.
500. Right. And then
Good.
and then tip for you. Okay. Back at the station now. We've probably got a bit more time to kill. So let's have a look.
Let's get a ticket.
Yeah, let's get tickets. Then we can decide what we're going to do. Not go in, huh?
Keep going.
Go in, I think. Sawadee Krap. Hat Yai.
Hat Yai,
Yeah.
restaurant,
150.
Chai.
Cotton cap. Cap. Right, so the second class was full. No! So we're running third class. Not the end of the world. I've seen worse. Right, we're on an adventure just to get some food quickly before we chip off. We're going to try and get some roti before we go back to Hat Yai. Right, so these are the streets of Yala. This is round by the station. The station is here behind us. And you've got market stalls, shops, traders. This is somewhere tourists don't ever venture, especially the Westerners. They don't come to these parts of Thailand. It's not something that is really done. And I think I'd like to kind of change that and hope that, you know, this helps provide a bit of interest in the area. Thank you. Here we are, the pillars as well. I don't like these pillars. Yeah, this is another roadblock along here. It's quite strange to see it in Thailand, to be honest. It's not something you're used to. We are at Yala train station now. Train's been delayed an hour.
Again. Because we
Again.
were to say this morning.
It was the same this morning, huh?
We got up at 5.
Oof. I think I'm going to get some fruit. See what this lady's got. What do you fancy, Julie? Do you want mango or do you want guava or... How do I cup?
อันนี้10 บาท อันนี้20นะคะ
I'll probably go for... Do you want the green mango or just this one? This one, huh? Okay. Okay. Cotton caps, thank you. The other really confusing thing about these railways down here, these stations, is there's no platform numbers anywhere. I'm not sure if I'm on platform 2 or platform 1. We're supposed to be on platform 1, but I'm not entirely sure. What I noticed as well is people leave bags everywhere, just lying on the concourse without anyone attending it. I'll tell you what, that would not fly in London. I'll tell you what, or in the UK, that would be straight picked up. In fact, there would be an evacuation of the station because it would be a scare. I'm not going to say the word, but you get what I'm saying.
When you're a kid in Italy, your parents tell you don't stare at people.
Right, don't stare.
It's
Yeah.
considered rude.
Rude. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was the same actually growing up. I agree.
If you're a kid in Europe and like, I don't know, you see someone maybe like in a wheelchair or something, your parents tell you don't stare.
Yeah.
It's like you make them uncomfortable and you know,
True.
we're old people.
True.
There's no need to stare at someone just because they look different from you.
Yeah. I know.
Hours later.
Yeah. Sawadee Krap.
ส่งผู้โดยสารจากสถานีสุไหงโกลกไปทางสถานีกรุงเทพครับบริษัทที่มีความประสงค์เดินทางไปกับรถเที่ยวนี้และดีโตโดยให้เป็นเรียบร้อยครับ
Right, coach 8 is here. This one, huh? Okay. Right, Julia, what's seat number?
39
3940, yeah? $39. 39 and 40 is here, yeah. We're here, aren't we? You're gonna have to sit there, and I'm gonna have to sit there. This is absolutely mental.
This is like a London train.
This is so busy. It's like everyone's travelling. It's like a holiday or something. I think it's because there's only one train.
It's Monday though.
I know, it's crazy.
You would expect it on a Friday or like Sunday night or something.
It's mental. So there's no more seats left on the train, so we had to get third class. It was not busy at all in the morning when we came towards here, but I guess coming back towards the north, it's just absolutely grand. She said there was no available seats in the second class either, so I made it.
Oh yeah.
Back in Hat Yai, nearly. That was supposed to be like half a day. Ended up being a full day. That's trains for you, isn't it? Unbelievable. Made it in one piece back to Hat Yai.
I don't feel in one piece.
You don't feel in one piece, no?
ที่นี่สถานีชุมทางหาดใหญ่ที่นักผู้โดยสารที่มีความประสงค์ที่จะลงที่สถานีชุมทางหาดใหญ่ก่อนที่ท่านจะลงจากขบวนรถเราจะดูสิ่งของนำลงให้ถูกต้องและครบถ้วนด้วยค่ะขบวนรถที่ขับเคลื่อนโดยทางสถานีที่ 3เป็นขบวนรถเร็วขบวนที่1
Alright, we've made it back to Hat Yai. I recommend if you go, you've got to go with a local that you know well and that knows the area and can take you around and keep you out of the intensity that some of the stairs are.
It's probably worth going Patani instead.
It's much more of a holiday vibe. Yala City's not really.
There's barely any hotels as well if you check.
What, in
there
Yala?
must be a reason, yeah.
Yeah. Do what? That third class train was intense. Fuck. It was everyone on there. It was mental. I was just... Right, time for a quick shower and wash all this dirt and dust on me. I can feel all the stuff on my hands here. I take a good shower, I tell ya.